Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to edit my list on Netflix and how to add and remove shows and movies from it. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to your Netflix account. So for example, I will go and take this TV show. And to add it to my list, to my favorite TV shows, there is like a button here, my list. I have just to click on it. And now this TV show is added to my list. And to delete it from my list, I should go to my list here after clicking on my Netflix and click on See All. And as you can see, that TV show is the first on my list. Now, I have just to click on it and go to the same place from where I added and click again. And as you can see, this TV show is deleted from my list. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video and see you in the next one.